When there is no base on the little g, it's understood to be a 10. And if on your calculator you just type in log of 18, you will get 1 point something, 1.0 something probably. Go ahead and do it and tell me what it is. And that's because the calculator knows that when there is no base, it's base 10. So you don't have to hit the alpha window, just hit the log button and 18 if it doesn't have a base.
1.255272505.
272, so 3. So 1.2553 would be the answer when you round it to 4 places. Everybody understand that? So you don't have to use your window like you did before. So those are easy. Now, the other problems on these 2 pages have really hard-looking questions. And we have learned, let's look at number 16 on that first page. It's 6 to the x minus 5 equals 2 to the 7x plus 3. There is no way to make a 6 exponential, right? Mm-hmm. So in this case, this is the hardest kind, the kind that have an exponent on both sides. Mm-hmm. You're going to do log of 6 to the x minus 5 equals log of 2 to the 7x plus 3. We have variables in the exponent. We're going to need logs. Mm-hmm. You have exponents on both sides. You're going to need a lot of logs. You're going to need logs on both sides, okay? So, remember the rule, the exponent rule? Where can that go?
That can go in the bottom.
In the front. Remember, it goes in the front. Log of 6 equals, and I always put them in parentheses so they don't get separated, log of 2. Okay? Now, these problems always get very, very ugly, and the answers are ugly decimals most of the time. Because if they were pretty answers, you could break them down and do them the way we did at the beginning of the chapter. So I'm going to leave my logs on one side. So I'm going to divide both sides by log of 2. And I'm going to put my x minus 5 over here, divide both sides by x minus 5, and those bite the dust. Did everybody get that? So now we cross multiply and we get 7x plus 3 equals 2.5850x minus 12.9248. Mm-hmm. And now we multiply, subtract, we take 7x, 7 minus 2.5850. So you get 4.415x equals negative 15.9248. I subtract 3 from both sides. So I'm going to divide by 4.417, and that's a negative. Got it?
Negative 3?
Yeah, because it was a negative 15 and a positive 4.415.
Those are ugly. Divide by 6?
No, because x plus 2 is on that 6, and you can't do anything to get that 6 away from it with that little x plus 2 hanging on it. But you can't change 18 exponentially to 6's. And you can't change 6 down to 2. You can't change 6 to anything because it's 2 times 3. Mm-hmm. So it's nothing exponential. So we're going to have to go to log. Okay? So this is an exponential form. If you only have exponents on one side, you can put it in exponential. You can put it in logarithmic form. Who is the base?
18. It's 6x.
6 of the answer equals x plus 2. These are actually a lot easier. This part here, you can put in your calculator. So go ahead and put log base 6 of 18 in your calculator. And that's 1.61315.
Yep.
1.61315 equals x plus 2. Now what do you do? To leave the x alone.
Don't use minus 2.
Yep, and it's negative 0.3869 is rounded to 4 places.